Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. I'm going to go over a bunch of altcoin setups. I'm waiting for quite a few to play out. Obviously, Bitcoin's had some amazing bullish gains. Definitely good to see for Bitcoin. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin weekly chart. What happened to this red candle? This was a giant red candle just a few days ago. 28% pullback for Bitcoin. Pretty decent recovery. We're at about 37,400. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button for me. Also hit that like button. Trying to get a like spike going. 1,000 likes a video. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So we had talked about a possible head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour time frame, which, I mean, it's still possible. The key is the bulls need to put in a higher high. So you've got this little double bottom reversal that's playing out. It's got a bullish MACD cross. Your stochastic is starting to get overbought. But what you don't want to see here is some type of rising wedge where this essentially would be a bearish pattern where we run up and we get rejected and then continue to the downside. Okay, so in order to kind of invalidate this bearish idea, bulls need a higher high. We need to break all-time highs and off to the races again. I've got a pretty cool infographic about the drawdowns or the pullbacks as far as Bitcoin price history coming up in just a second. Make sure and check that out. This is a setup I actually posted in the trading group. And boom, I said. Now, broke to the upside. We got a daily candle close coming in about 29 minutes, and bulls need to hold this level. Your measured move up here for the double bottom is about $40,000, right? So again, the key is we need to higher, even higher than that. So bulls have to continue to show up here. This is a 15-minute chart. I posted this setup, actually covered on TikTok as well. Pretty cool to have these little 1-minute videos. So this is a couple days ago on the 11th. Boom, hit the measured move, hit the target. My point is this, you've got to be patient in this market to see, you know, this was a buy the breakout here, and it took a couple days to play out. Like it got real close here, but then you had this falling wedge, which later broke to the upside. So you just got to be patient on this stuff. Like this is not get rich overnight. You see all these huge gains in crypto, and everybody thinks it happens in a second, and it takes time, right? It takes time to materialize. I got some amazing shout outs to give my trading group. This person, he said, I nuked my account to $100 and I got it right back up to $2,500. He sent me these screenshots. He's like, I documented everything. He's like, I went from 141 to 550 to 1,500 to 2,500. He said 100 to 1,000 was his goal. Now it's 1,000 to 10,000. He just hit me up a second ago, probably about 45 minutes ago. Boom, 4K now. So he turned $100 into $4,000. It's 40x, dude. That's life-changing money. This person's been in the group for 2 days. He's up $1,200. This person reached out and said my portfolio is up another $17,000 since my last email to you. Stellar job. Right now, if you sign up and you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. Go to my website for more information, cryptorev.net. So this chart shows Bitcoin drawdowns, a scale of the dips, and we were here. So if you can imagine these pumps over here, this is days to reach the bottom of the drawdown. So how long was the dip, right? We had one dip previously that was 30 or 40 days long, and the price pulled back 40% in 40 days. You know, you could only imagine. We had a dip here, 28%. Everybody was ready to throw in the towel. Everybody was, scared, selling out of fear, right? And so here we were, trying to recover now, trying to turn things around. But you can see, like, it's real common to get these smaller dips, under 20%, very common. But when you start to see these, it took 3 days, only 3 days to recover. Here's about a 30% dip, about a 30% dip. Here's a 40% pullback that recovered almost immediately. This looks like it was after the first halving. They had a 70% dip, which took 9 days to recover. Could you imagine that? 70% pullback out of Bitcoin. These are some pullbacks that were, in the 20% range that took between 10 and 30 days to recover. What's really important here that I want to talk about is after the bull market is over, you can see these Bitcoin pullbacks from all-time highs down here, over 80% after the first halving, after the second halving. It's going to happen again after the third halving. Watch. So we're going to have this amazing bull run. Bitcoin's going to go to whatever number and peak out well over 100,000. And then bear market, extended bear market. And Bitcoin holders are going to see a lot of their gains be taken. You don't lose money in this market. Other people take profits. So it's really important to understand that at some point you're going to have to sell. Fear and greed index. Now, probably this needs to be updated, but greed right now is still extreme greed, but only 78. This is Chainlink. And somebody says, hey, this fractal is going to play out. See how this price action right here looks similar to this price action here? They're saying Chainlink is about to take off. And Chainlink, I'm still $50 Chainlink. Let's go. Right, I did trade a Chainlink setup. I'm going to show you guys in just a second today. Nice double bottom. And just really want to emphasize how important it is to be able to train yourself to buy these dips, right? These altcoin dips are made for buying, right? I've got a lot of pattern setups I'm about to show you guys in a second, but the best buy was the dip that scared you, right? You have to understand, like, hey, even if it's just a small amount just to practice with, we're going to have dips, right? 20%, 15%, 30%, 35%, whatever it is. Practice with a small amount and you'll realize how much easier this market can be to make profits in when you buy the biggest dips. Now, I don't know where this came from. They're saying Link is about to start staking. I'm not sure exactly. It says staking for your entire portfolio. It just says here, Chainlink, the first quarter of 2021. And so I don't know if anybody has information on this, but I'd like to, obviously Link staking would be a big deal. So just leave a message in the comment section in the YouTube. So if you have any information on this, just leave me a comment in the comment section on YouTube. Grayscale investors are buying Bitcoin and Litecoin. I'm going to show you the Litecoin setup in just a second. We'll start the Ruin USDT chart that I posted about 2 weeks ago. I just want to give you guys an example of what you're going through when you're opening these positions in these altcoins and cryptocurrency. Like, they're all over the place, right? Bitcoin is the puppet master. It runs the show. Like you can see, entry is buy the break out of this level at about $1.20, right? After the breakout of this bull pennant, right? So you see now, could you imagine, like, you get this huge run up about 30% from entry, and then it pulls back and actually retests this level, and then huge move. So I think Ruin's up about 50% max gains right now. We'll call it about 45%. Lots of profits to be made, but it's stressful. It can be. I mean, you got these huge run-ups and these drastic pullbacks. Do not deserve 3,000% gains in crypto if you can't take a 30% pullback. Almost 3,000 followers on TikTok. Go over there at cryptobitcoinchris. Follow me there. I think it's cool to be able to post really quick videos. So Bitcoin dominance, on-off switch. Bitcoin rally, we're going this way. You see Bitcoin has a little positive price action and Bitcoin dominance starts to take off. Altcoins will turn on when this trends lower. Altcoin season. Let's go. I'm ready. Ethereum, let me get a quick update on Ethereum. So you kind of have this head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders type pattern. Essentially, you want to buy the breakout at this level, which all these levels are marked over here. So make sure, if you don't know how to buy a breakout, I can teach you how to do it. But again, for more upside for Ethereum, you need to see a break above about 1140 for the next move higher. Litecoin, you can see looks similar to Bitcoin's chart, right? You got this like Adam, Eve, double bottom. Adam, Eve, double bottom. So Litecoin, again, for Litecoin to test all-time highs, needs to break some of this overhead resistance. I mean, Bitcoin's going to pull these USDT paired altcoins higher, right? This is a link setup I was in. It was by the breakout of this level. It's in a little bit of profits, maybe up $1 potentially from the breakout. Now we're looking at like this level as far as buying the breakout. I still think we're going to see all-time highs tested for link, and then after that breaks out, $50 link. Let's go. ADA again, same type pattern. Adam, Eve, double bottom, buying the breakout at this level. So a lot of these large caps, these alt USDT pairs, I mean they've got patterns and they're just waiting on a push to the upside. Daily candle close coming about 19 minutes. And then the question is, what's Asia going to do? Asia buying. They're going to start buying these altcoins. So you'll notice you see a lot of volume. Most of the volume comes in around the daily candle close and the 12-hour candle close. So it's for Eastern time, it's 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. Eastern time. YFI, I do have a position in YFI, and again, same type pattern. I think YFI is due. I mean, it hasn't really taken off yet. I also think Bitcoin Cash, if you look at Bitcoin Cash, I was looking at the chart last night, and it's up 100%, in quite a few months, but kind of lagging behind some of the other altcoins. So I know a lot of people were like anti-Bitcoin Cash, but listen, don't hate it. Don't date it. Just trade it, right? You start falling in love with these altcoins, you get in trouble. You won't ever want to sell them. But anyways, YFI looks like a possible retest and potentially see continuation high. Every single one of these altcoin USDT setups is contingent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin pulls back. Do not curl up in a little ball and throw your phone over in the corner and not watch this market. Buy these dips. It will change the game completely. That's the best entry on this freaking price action right here. You got to buy these dips. This is a pretty cool site. DeFi Pull Stock. DeFi is hot. DeFi is taking off. There's a ton of money locked up in DeFi, $22 billion. You can see it. It goes through and shows Maker, Aave. I've got a position in Aave right now as well too. It's these are coins that I bought the dip on. Uniswap's got a ton of upside. Compound, SNX has been on fire lately. But the point is, you can go through here and you can see which coins are moving, how they're moving. You can also go to lending, decentralized exchanges, derivatives, payments, assets. You can go through a lot of these coins and see, okay, these are almost like DeFi sectors, like in the stock market, right? And you can see kind of which one's not performing and potentially look for entry ideas as far as that goes. So I just think this is a pretty useful site. The ZEC, now this has been a solid one. Remember ZEC and Dash, they have these privacy issues and these coins pulled back tremendously. Next thing you know, boom, Zcash. It's going parabolic gains. We're up 16% on this coin. I think my point is here, like you'll see these coins in the market that this negative news comes out, everybody writes them off and just says, nah, I'm just going to dismiss it. And the next thing you know, people are buying the dips, so don't always focus just on the news. Pull up some of these charts, get Tradingview, get Coinigy, check this stuff out. I mean, I remember you get like 51% attacks, you get all kinds of hacks, and these coins rebound. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.